Hi, and welcome to pmplounge.com. And today we are going over what makes a project complex. This is a part of the Navigating Complexity report, that is a PMI report. Again, no copyrights infringement intended, all copyrights acknowledged. This report is available for free, can be downloaded from PMI website, and I will link to it in the description below so that you can download your own copy. So, in one of our previous videos, we did talk about why organizations must deliver complex projects. And today, let's try to understand what exactly are the reasons, what really makes a project complex. So again, we'll go over a graph that is a part of the Navigating Complexity report, and I will highly encourage you to go and download that report. It's a beautiful report. It's very well put together, and you'll kind of understand what are the reasons that makes a project complex. And now, just to give you a context of complex projects, you know, let's consider an organization, right? So the organization's portfolio will be a set of strategic initiatives, right, which are delivered through projects and programs. So they'll have certain strategic initiatives. To realize those initiatives, to make them the ground reality, you need to execute and deliver certain projects and programs. Now, these projects and programs are going to determine the nature of the complexity. So there are several common characteristics for complex projects. Top two are multiple stakeholders and ambiguity, which we have already discussed in the previous video. Today, let's go over the entire list of these characteristics of the complex projects. All right, so there you have it. The most defining characteristics of complexity in projects. Multiple stakeholders, 57%. Projects are complex because of multiple stakeholders in them. So 57% people that have been surveyed believe that the complexity of the project is due to the stakeholders, the numerous multiple stakeholders. This basically amounts to a lot of communication issues as well, right? The other important reason, the second one, is ambiguity of project features, resources, phases. And in our previous video, when we discussed on why organizations must deliver complex projects, we have actually kind of touched upon the both of these points, actually, multiple stakeholders and ambiguity. So 48% people who were surveyed believe that ambiguity is the reason for a project being absolutely complex. Significant political authority influences. Now, these could be majorly internal to the company. Unknown project features, resources, phases, etc. Now, unknown project features again is kind of related with ambiguity, because if you have ambiguous requirements, you might not be clear about what are the project features. And ambiguous requirements, the client must be expecting three features while you could be expecting that you need to build only one, right? Dynamic project governance. Now, project governance keeps changing. That's true. Significant external influences. So, external influences out of the project team, out of the sponsors, out of the stakeholders, external influences. So, people who you thought as a project manager were not stakeholders of the project, they have certain influence on it, and that makes a project complex. Use of a technology that is new to the organization. Now, this happens all the time, right? Technology evolves, technology is moving very fast, and in order to create, develop, and deliver projects which are up to date, you may have to use technology which is absolutely new to your organization. Consider a new programming language for that matter, right? Use of a technology that has not yet been fully developed. That is also true. Some of the times companies work on beta releases as well, right? You're working on something which is actually in beta right now. Significant internal, interpersonal, or social influences, 23%. That is the third last. I'm on second last now. Highly regulated environment. That also makes a project complex to be delivered. Project duration exceeds the cycle of relevant technologies. Now, the project duration itself, let's say a 1 year long project, and by the time you're done with the project, the relevant technologies have already changed. So, those are some of the most defining characteristics of complexity in our projects. So, that is all that we wanted to discuss in this video. Thank you. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. You can always follow us on our social media, facebook.com/PMP Lounge, twitter.com/PMP Lounge. If you learned something new in this video, do hit the like button. As always, check out the website pmplounge.com for latest articles and great detailed videos. Thank you.